All right, so to get your rocker blade out of the handle, what you're gonna do is take a rubber mallet here and put a little rag underneath just to catch that blade. Don't wanna damage any teeth. We're gonna just gently tap it out. It's not glued in or anything. It's just wedged in there. Here we go. Then we can just fit it right into our sharpening jig, tighten it down. All right, so then we're ready to go. So we've got our double-sided India sharpening stone and some 3-in-1 oil and a Sharpie. Okay, so we're gonna take our Sharpie and go along this beveled edge. That way when we start sharpening, we know that we have the jig at the right angle. Okay, put some oil on your stone. Then we will start sharpening. So I'm almost at the right angle. You can see here on that bevel, most of the Sharpie coming off. I'm gonna raise it just a little bit. One more piece of copper down. Keep going. And so now you can see on that bevel that we've got the Sharpie removed along that edge. So we know we have the right angle. So now you just continue going, who knows, maybe 10, 15 minutes till you have it nice and sharp. And when you pull your finger down along these teeth, if it's smooth and your hand goes right off, you do not have sharp teeth. But if you feel a little edge there, which takes a little bit of time, you have to be patient, but then you'll know that it's nice and sharp and you're ready to go.